Hello, this is Tyler with Theater Design Company. I'm going to give a quick box opening of a Pro-14RW from Klipsch. Main reason for this video is I have a customer that is interested in several of these to be the discrete speakers in their new home. We will end up retrofitting them in, but the small profile of them should work perfect in this application. I'll go ahead and open this thing up. So you've got your typical architectural speaker manual. You've got your Klipsch manual that they give with almost everything. You have some warnings and miscellaneous. And then the crucial part, you have our template. So it's a Pro-14RW template, and you can see the cutout of the openings, 8.13 by 5.26. So extremely small for an in-wall speaker, perfect for a discrete in-wall system or mounted low for some background music, or maybe you have some square ceiling lights, some architectural lights for ceiling. These could run next to them and blend in pretty well. You then have a paint shield, and that is what that is. So you can put these on to help protect the speaker during painting, or just keep it like more of a dust cover. Protection. Then you have the Klipsch perforated grill. It's an edgeless grill. It's a clean look, and again, you can go by the size of this, and there's my hand, and there's how small this speaker is. We've pulled the Klipsch speaker out of the box here. I don't think you needed to see me unwrap some plastic, but basically you have their horn design. You have their typical gold kind of spun woofer. And again, you can see there's my hand, how small this thing is. It's just a tiny speaker. And it's built pretty well. So, and it has their new lock features. So you can actually push this speaker in, it'll lock into the opening. I always take a Phillips screwdriver to it and turn it and give a little extra lock. And then that would obviously mount on the wall. And I'll go over just a few specs on the speakers, do a quick run through. So there is a can of soda. It gives you an idea on the size. And we'll go off the box a little bit, and I'll read some specs that they don't show anywhere on here. So kind of give you a rundown, but they're the 4-inch small aperture. It's actually a 3.5-inch woofer. It is not a 4-inch woofer. I'm not sure actually why they say that, but their spec sheet reads differently. They say it's a 3.5-inch IMG woofer. I'll confirm that if I can. But small aperture, it's doing their Traxel 90 by 90, which is kind of a Klipsch trademark. 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter, so it is aluminum. So if you don't know that, you need to actually listen to some speakers and listen to the difference between a soft dome tweeter and a aluminum or a titanium dome tweeter. There is a difference in my opinion. You got the speaker, the grill, you got your paint shield, and you got your Pro-14 cutout template. If you were going to drywall these, you would use the template. If you are building a house, you would use the Klipsch IK400 rough-in kit for these. And just to recap kind of here on the specs of this guy, if I don't drop it. So the specs on these are actually 90 hertz to 23,000 hertz. So, you know, they don't play too low. They would work okay for a surround system. But we always add a subwoofer to these. So you would add a Klipsch in-wall subwoofer. You could do an in-ceiling subwoofer. Klipsch does make some of that. As a matter of fact, this the bar to our theater has the Klipsch 4-inch in-ceiling. And then if I sneak over here, some stonework, I've actually got a Klipsch subwoofer hiding right there. So that's a port tube that runs behind, and that covers that. So kind of a neat feature. And anyway, that should conclude this. I think this will give my customer a good idea on the speaker, and if anybody's watching the YouTube video, since I leave them public, give them a good idea of what's going on with this Pro-14RW as well. Thank you.